That's right, folks. It's the Vagrant's Valet, and today we're out on the rainy streets. We're helping out whoever it is that needs a ride. Hey, man, you need a ride? We're going to help out a little, and maybe, just maybe, we are going to help out a lot. Hey, man, you need a lift? I'll give you a ride if you need one.
I'm just going right here. The Wheeler's right over the hill.
You know what? I can turn around. Hop on in, brother. It's too cold to be walking.
All right. Appreciate it.
Yeah, right on, right on. Take a load off.
Oh.
Starting to get dark, starting to get cold.
Yes, sir.
My name's Zook.
Tony.
Tony, right on, Tony. I'll get you wherever you want to go here.
Yeah,
We'll just go ahead and turn around.
it's really right over the hill. We're over here to Wheeler Mission, man.
Yeah, how's things over there these days?
I don't know. I ain't been there in a long time. I just had a falling out with my old lady and stuff.
Oh, no.
So, yeah. Really ain't got nowhere to go tonight. I gotta be at work at home goods in the morning, so.
I can roll that window up if it's getting a
Oh,
little, getting a little too cold for you. Yeah. What, you and the old lady weren't getting along?
No.
Oh, that sucks. Was it one of those deals where the mother-in-law was getting in on it, trying to tell you what to do and all that?
Not really. Me and my old lady have been homeless for like 7 years together, and she's just crazy, man. She's in and out of the mental hospital all the time. She can't hold down a job. So she quit TJ Maxx the other day, and I'm working at Home Goods, so I'm trying to hold it down. And she's wanting to bitch and argue all the time. I'm tired of it. You know what?
You've been on the streets for 7 years, man?
Yeah, I started in Colorado.
Were you sleeping on the street when it was like -5 last week?
Yeah, of course, yes. I had a 20-pound can of propane and a double-wide camp burner stove. You know what I mean?
Is that dangerous though, with the propane in a tent?
Is it what?
Dangerous?
It's probably a little dangerous, yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Where were you, over at Switchyard?
No, I don't camp down there. I don't go camp with nobody. Me and her been by ourselves for a long time. Like, we just kind of like nomads for a long time. We just travel around.
A rolling stone gathers no moss,
Yeah,
right?
I mean, we've been here like a year now.
Is it right here?
Yeah, it's right here. We've been here like a year now, but
Well,
yeah.
How'd you wind up in Bloomington from Colorado, if you don't mind my asking?
This is really a long story if you want to keep asking.
Well, yeah. I mean, I always you have this sense of adventure, Tony, that I certainly admire.
I started out in Alabama. She started out in Mississippi. I met her in Mississippi.
In where'd you meet her?
In Tupelo, Mississippi.
Tupelo, that's where Elvis is from.
Yeah, that's Elvis's birthplace.
Yeah, right. Well,
Yeah.
well, it's the story's sounding good so far.
Yeah. Well.
And then you decided to go to Colorado?
Well, I was on probation or parole at the time we met.
So, well, were you in the big house, or?
Yeah, I did 5.5 years in prison.
What'd you do?
Cooking dope.
Oh man. Yeah. Oh boy, they sure threw the book at you, didn't they?
Yeah, well, I mean, I had 3 felonies. I had a leaving the scene of an accident with injuries, possession of dope, and intent to manufacture dope.
Oh, you weren't like a bank robber or anything like that. No. It was all just drug stuff.
Yeah.
Wow. So what were you? So how'd you get from Alabama to Colorado? Did you hitchhike?
No, we rode Greyhound.
Oh.
And like, this is the way we did it. Like, you can only afford to go so far. You look up the next town, the closest you can get. You land there and you make money and you get on the bus again and go again.
Well, that's wanderlust there.
Yeah, and just throw up a tent wherever you at, really.
Huh.
I mean, to me, I look at homelessness as these people that can't get off the sidewalk downtown. You know what I mean? You're
more of a wanderer, would you characterize it?
I mean,
sounds like
but still it's not with no home, so it's still homelessness, I guess, in the overall aspect. But yeah, to me it's worse when you're just sleeping on the wet concrete. You know what I mean? You ain't got no gumption about doing anything better for yourself.
Right,
you know
right.
You got to look out for yourself, number one.
Well, no, you got to look out for number one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, so then how do you wind up in South Central Indiana, Bloomington, of all places?
It's my old lady's daughter, which would be, I guess, my stepdaughter for saying, even though we're not married. But yeah, she's here. She lives with a guy here, and that's why we come here.
Is he any good, or is he worthless? Or
actually, he's all right. He works at a hospital, like cleaning rooms at the hospital.
Oh, good for him.
Yeah.
Well, we have that big, huge hospital on the other side of Bloomington.
Yeah, I think he's at IU.
Yeah. Well, Bloomington's a great town. I mean, what kind of work have you done in the past? There's a lot of jobs around here.
I'm working right now. I work at Home Goods.
Oh, right on.
Yeah, I'm working right now. Yeah,
well,
I've been working there for 2 months. And right before that, I worked Taco Bell for like 6 weeks. But I'm liking my job at Home Goods and everything's gonna work out. I stopped in and talked to them before my walk over here. So somebody's gonna pick me up for work and stuff. Everything's gonna work out, I think.
Well, you know what? Save up $300 and you can get like a renter room place, so you don't have to sleep outside, man. There's cheap
I'd rather
houses.
do that than sleep here too. This shit sucks.
What
Yeah.
are the people pretty rude here?
It's just-
A bunch of weirdos.
It's kind of stupid, man.
Well, just save up $300. You can get a renter room place around here, and you know it's nothing great.
I
but
mean, I got 100 in my pocket now. Yeah.
Well, you're also rich in personality.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
And actually, I'd have had that 300 if this crazy bitch wouldn't have took all my damn money.
Oh, well, there's a lot of that going
Yeah.
around. Yeah. All right. Well, hey, it was great meeting you.
You too.
I'm glad I could give you a lift. Hey, like I said, save up a
Where
little
you
money.
posting it?
Get a where do you want to see it posted?
I don't watch the social media much, but I've been watching you.
Yeah, maybe Facebook, YouTube. We look good together, don't
You
we?
got a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Vagrant's Valet.
Vagrant's Valet.
Check it out.
That's pretty cool.
Right on, brother.
I like that.
Okay, well, I like you. Hey, when you see me on the street, give me a wave, okay?
All right, I will.
Okay, you hang in there.
You too.
All right. Well, look at that. There's a guy who's he's not really homeless. He's just a wanderer. Hey, and if you like these videos, go ahead, hit like, hit subscribe. Please leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you.